Hey everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are continuing our Python series and this is our part 12, and in this video we are going to study about modular programming and we will study how can we create a function for making tasks useful, and we will see what is modular programming as we have seen in every video. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. So here if I go to my computer screen, you will see this thing. I have already created some terminals and run my Python file command, and I have written a comment and created a file called main.py and written comment as modular programming. So here, firstly I want to tell you what is modular programming. Modular programming means suppose you have to do same task again and again. So what you will do same task again and again, but you have to do that in a function so that it can reduce your time. Suppose you want to take factorial in your program again and again, then you can create a simple function for taking factorial, e.g. just like this. If you want to take the factorial or in your program again and again, then you can simply create a function for taking a factorial, and you will just write a one line of code and repeat same line of code in one line, and you will just write that line of code in a single line. So you will done that in very simple manner. So in this video I will show you how can you create a simple function for display the greetings that everyone shows. So here, if I create a define function for firstly I want to tell you, for creating any kind of function you have to write def keyword. After that you have to write the name of the function. Suppose I want to display the greeting, and now here print hello, just like this. And for calling a function I will just write here display greeting, and if I save this and run, then you will see hello. Boom guys, we have hello with our function, and that's it guys. This is our video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.